This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Pull up, this shit we gon' slide out first. Baby boy, every try to call me the worst. Since we drink, had to go to the church. 5 o'clock out the street, you gotta make sure it work. Got Zion, my blood, don't even pay me the time. Baby boy, push stuff, you ain't hitting out the church. Be doing, she know that I'm in love with that son. She know I'm gon' take on the world. I buy this shit for a nigga, whip on the bus. Blood block up, then I swear the best gun, this pop like the perk. Nigga got hit on that curve. Right past some nigga that really gon' rise off.
What's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Nas Ken. We is back with another video, and as y'all boys can tell, man, look, the ground is wet. We got the comp out, you feel me? So basically, in just today's video, we just finna be sliding a 700 wheel horsepower comp in the rain, you feel me? And when I say 700 horsepower, yeah, 700 horsepower, dog. I'm gonna basically give y'all a rundown of the car, what I've done so far to the car. It ain't been much. It's only been like a month and some change since I had the car. So the first thing that I have done on the car is I have these front mount intakes, bro. I love these, bro. The sound that these makes is insane. After the front mount intake, I can't show you, but you feel me? We do have downpipes, you feel me? I installed the downpipes myself. There would have been a video of me installing the downpipes, but I lost all the footage, you feel me? I lost all the footage, so there isn't no video of me putting the downpipes on. So really I have all that, and then obviously I have the tune, which makes the vehicle go to 700 horsepower. So I have a MHD stage 2 tune. It's on 93 right now. It's not on E40 yet. We're not on E yet, but we will be on E. Other than that, I'm not gonna talk y'all head off too much. We're finna get in the car and we just finna see where today takes us.
Tryna catch me a few old niggas lacking. They gotta stand on that shit, they be saying. Fuck nigga tryna act bigger than that. We'll come just step on that shit like the man. Niggas all gotta go kill a man with a plan. Bitch come and get high on the man with his hand.
Alright, boys, let's get this show on the road. You feel me? So, as y'all can tell, we have no gas. We have 47 miles empty. So our first stop is going to be a gas station. Forgot to tell you, I do have burbles, so y'all gonna hear these burbles. The burbles is cool for right now though, cause I just put them on and stuff, but I know later down the line, I'm definitely gonna tone them down a little bit. But the good thing is, I can turn them off. But as of right now, they sound so good. Oh my God, them intake noise. The intake noise followed up by the burble is just, it sounds so good to me, bro. Like, it's unbeatable. $4.06. Yo, I'm trying to put some predictions in the comments on how much this is gonna cost to fill up. I was like at 50 miles, that's like 4 gallons, so I'm probably gonna say $60. So as y'all boys can tell, it was $67. So I was close, you feel me? I was close. We have gas, we have 700 horsepower, so now we're ready. Burbles is just insane. Wish I had somewhere to slide, bro. I'm gonna try to find somewhere for y'all boys. Fucking slide intersection on some freak shit. Like, fuck it, why not? We can, you know? Holy. Listen, this is all in Mexico. None of this is real, bro. None of this, like, none of what y'all are seeing is real. we gotta be careful, bro, cause like it's wet outside and we got 700 horsepower. Like, I'm in third right now. Watch this. See what I mean? Like, it's gonna lose traction every single time, bro. Fuck it. Quick intermission. Anybody behind me? It better not be. Into the neighborhood we go. Back to Burbles. I love 4-wheel drive sport. We just hooked. Bro, the road is just so wet in front of me, bro. I just know, fuck it. It's better for me to show y'all than just try to tell y'all, bro. Like, the car is just gonna keep trying to spin. right, y'all boys, as y'all can see, you know, we just did what we had to do in the X3M comp. I'm glad, you know, I was actually able to come out here on this rainy day. I actually was just able to come out here and, you know, do what we did in the comp, bro. Like, I feel like this was actually good. Like, this felt fun, bro. Like, I'm actually glad I have like a real drive car I can actually do this in, you feel me? I appreciate y'all boys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this. Like, I'm glad I'm able to do this for y'all boys and able to do this shit at such a young age, you feel me? But I'll catch y'all boys later.
Yeah, I'll perk it 10. Get in my mode when I hurt these men. Try to get them out of my head, but it won't work, so I flirt with these men. All of my play get mad as fuck when ain't no perkies in.